It was heaven on earth.
Wake up, you piece of shit!
Ow!
Who's Venice? Huh?
Who?
What are you, a fucking owl? Who is she?
I don't know what the...
Some little hookie you were fucking last
What the
night?
fuck are you talking about? No way, baby, no!
You were calling her name in your sleep.
Are you out of your fucking mind? I don't even know Venice is. What the fuck does that even mean? Venice! Venice is the stupidest shit I've ever heard in my fucking life! That's right, I forgot. I forgot, babe. Donnie and I were investing in a condominium complex in Venice. That's why all this confusion.
Oh, you were investing in Italy.
Not Italy, California, babe.
Oh, California!
Yeah.
You're a lying piece of shit!
Duchess, baby,
Don't
come
you
on.
fucking
Okay,
Duchess
okay,
me!
baby, I'm sorry.
Don't you Duchess
Baby,
me!
I'm sorry.
Do you
Just
really
talk-
think
yeah.
that I don't know what you're up to? You're a father now, Jordan?
Yeah.
You're a father now.
I know.
And you're still acting
Yes.
like an infant!
Fuck! God damn it! Baby, you know, you got real anger issues. You got
Who is the one who flew in here at 3 in the morning on their stupid helicopter and woke up Skylar? That was you.
Sky-
Know
oh,
about
Skylar.
that.
Oh,
Doesn't
fucking
even matter to
bullshit.
you. Doesn't even matter to you that I just had that driving range sodded with Bermuda grass,
Oh,
Jordan.
my
and now
God.
you fucking
Bermuda
wrecked
grass.
it. No, you didn't research the whole thing and deal with the fucking golf course people.
Oh, my God, you had to deal with the golf course people, too! What a Greek tragedy, honey, oh my God! You probably had to pay them in cash with your hands, what a fucking burden! And actually do some work besides swiping my fucking credit card all day, huh? Because I can't keep track of your professions, honey. Because last month you were a wine connoisseur, now you're an aspiring landscape architect. Let me get that right. No,
Fuck
you fucking dare throw that fucking water at me. Don't you fucking dare. All right, honey? And we could talk this out, all right? Just use our words, you know? Communicate, okay? Come on, sweetheart. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Stop flexing your muscles, Jordan. You look like a fucking imbecile.
Babe, come on, you should feel happy you got a husband who's in such great shape like this, huh? Come here. Come on, give me a kiss. You look so beautiful right now. Come on.
Kiss you?
You look so beautiful
Kiss
when you're
you?
here. Yeah, give me one. Fuck you!
Ah, yes, my morning ritual. First, I'd get up and fight with Naomi about whatever it is I did the night before.